Welcome to the SSB Outlet. Today we have a 2006 Honda Shadow Aero 750. This bike has 10,400 miles on it roughly and will be sold as is. So let's take our walk around it, show it to you, and then we'll fire it up. This bike comes with a clear windscreen, highway bars with highway pegs. It has Mustang seats for both the driver and the passenger, as well as a driver's backrest. Also comes with soft side saddlebags. And again, soft side saddlebags, Mustang seat and backrest, highway bars with highway pegs, and our clear windscreen. $10,345 is what's on it. Oh, bike also comes with a throttle lock. This 2006 Shadow Aero will be sold as is. Thank you for shopping the SSB Outlet.